Welcome everybody to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. I figured instead of looking at my ugly mug, let's look at some cars at the 35th annual NorCal Shelby Mini Nats. Tons of just incredible cars. Most of these things get beat hard, tracked. They did have a car show there. I never even made it over there, to be honest with you. They had an autocross with some really cool cars. But I'm just kind of showing you some of the stuff floating around. By no means is it all of it. But this is just a little smidgen of what was out there. And then my next video is actually going to show my coupe on the track, my buddy's coupe on the track. We got video of each other, so it should be some good stuff. We were both out there. And then I'm probably going to have another video of one of the forum members and one of my channel subscribers named Ron, as he has a gorgeous Gen 2 full custom. I mean, this thing was amazing. So I did a whole detailed video on this car because it was just out of this world. So stay tuned. I said there'll be 3 videos over the next probably 7 days. So hopefully I don't inundate you. But I definitely wanted to get this stuff up. Didn't want to combine it all together. Just in case someone wants to see track, they can go to the track video. If someone wants to see, just some cool race cars, they can see that. And then if someone wants to see Ron's gorgeous Gen 2 Type 65, you can see that. So you can take your choice and see what you like and go there. I'm not thrilled with the track video because it's not like autocross where it's fast and quick and the hands are moving. Track videos are usually pretty slow. I mean, the hands are moving slow. Everything's slow and smooth. It's not like an autocross. That's why I prefer autocross. It's quick. It's just all over the place. So just kind of my world and what I enjoy. So, but definitely sit back, enjoy the videos. This will be the first of 3. I'm not sure when I'll get the next one up, but I said hopefully the next couple of days. So, as I said, some gorgeous cars. A lot of cool things there. It was a really cool event at Sonoma Raceway. So definitely looking forward to having you along. And thanks again for being subscribers. And thanks again for watching the videos, and enjoy.